Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing an older Hot Wheels. This is almost 4 years old now, a 2019 release. This is the King Kuda. This is a custom Barracuda. This casting's been out since 1969. And I think actually 1970-ish. But it's from 2019 Muscle Mania series, number 9 of 10. Number 140 of 250 for 2019, and no purple background behind this collector number, so that's how we know it's a 2019. And also 250 on the year and a 2017 copyright. And there is the info there. This is from M-Case. There's the toy number. And Muscle Mania, custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town and racing. So this one has a nice metallic gray color with the Urban Outlaw and Magnus Walker designs. Newest recolor of this car for this particular year. Look at that, nice clean open. And bubble came off, but that's alright. I saved the card backs to throw out the bubbles. Pretty nice release. This is my first one of this particular casting. My friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys gave this one to me. Guess this one was an extra for him. Check this out, nice exposed engine. It's not that big, but, you know, pretty cool. Urban Outlaw, red line wheels. There's the front end there. Pretty nice looking ride. And a black plastic base. You can see that copyright, 1969 right there. And then 2017 is the other retool of it. Made in Malaysia. Urban Outlaw on the sides. Black striping. And then we see these muscle car 5-spokes, these MC5s. Chrome interior. Here's a nice look at that. Connects to the engine and all the way to the front. And then Urban Outlaw on the top as well with a star. And then black and red. Plymouth on the back. So this is based off a custom Plymouth Barracuda. Nice tampo on the back fender there. Very cool. I like that. And then same deal on the other side. And two-door coupe. Or muscle car rather. This is going to go in my muscle car display. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. What would you like to see next on the channel? We'll see you in the next video. This is Sam's Diecast Showroom, signing out.